Welcome to DJM TV.
E don burst o. Wike don reveal how PDP members dem bin take poison am for inside their party secretariat.
My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe o. And also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
The former governor of Rivers State, Nelson Wike, don tok how e fellow PDP members bin take poison am for inside their secretariat o. Im say na small tin remain o, im almost kpai no be small o. All im organs don stop to dey function like dis o. Na so im wife take rush im go abroad for treatment o. My pipu, make I no talk too much o, make I leave una, make una watch dis video and hear all wetin Wike talk for Thanksgiving wey e do.
December 2018. That day was the day my former chief of staff was going to have Thanksgiving.
Welcome to DJM TV.
And I was to attend that Thanksgiving on a Sunday. From that Sunday, I never came out, I never came down from my room. It was bad. There are words I don't want to use so that it don't look somehow. But those who attended the January 1st state banquet of 2019 will know that I never spoke that day. I just sat down there and I told my deputy governor to speak on my behalf. People didn't know what was going on. After that banquet, 12 midnight, I was taken out of the country because I thought it was over. When we got to Beirut, the doctors looked at me and I was looking at them. They were not telling me anything. They just said, look, we have to do so many tests. I'm just not talking. They came by the next morning and said, look, it was bad. My kidney had gone. My liver had gone. And they were looking at me. I don't know who told Okewale that it was my wife who told Okewale. He now called. He said, look, what is going on? I said, what did you hear? He said the way my wife spoke to him, is everything okay? I said, of course, everything is okay. And of course, the present governor of Rivers State was also known. And I never knew that I've been poisoned in our campaign secretariat. My textiles all black. So the doctors did everything they could do. The next day they came back. They said, what is happening to you? That everything is turning around. I said, how? He said, look, my liver is functioning now. My kidney is functioning. I said, but you've not done so much treatment. Well, I just kept quiet. And the glory of God, after about 1 week, they said, look, I can now go. I came back to Nigeria to start the campaign properly. And then I told those who are close to me, we will not stop in anybody's house for anything, no matter how close you are to me. If we are coming to a local government to campaign, and from the campaign there, I'm coming back home. Because I could not identify where. So for me, everybody was a victim. What was a suspect? I'm sorry. Everybody was a suspect. Because I don't know whom to and where it happened. So I said, look, this is the decision I've taken, not to stop in anybody's that if you come to Gokana, even if you are the leader of that place, thank you.
Hey, my people, not be small thing o. This one wey Wike talk so e carry no be small. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry come for una this time be this. Make una drop una comment o, how una see am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ